Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I am busy doing the front to the little sweater that I'm going to put the placket front on. I have done just a little bit video to show you the finished pieces that I have done and a little bit else. So I will go to that video and then come back to this one. So I now have a 14-inch and a 16-inch and these two little cardigans. And I have also done an 18-inch, I think. I'm not sure whether I can work the pattern out for this because of how the stitches finish on the top and the sleeves and that, and working out the stitches for this one. It's just a lot more difficult to work things out on this one. And I now have the back and two sleeves finished on this one, and I have just started the front, and when I get up to the armholes I will show you how to do what I did on this one. The little placard, I'll blow that up so you can see better. The little placket on the front for the buttons, and there's enough to do a collar, and I also have a little hat with this one. And I also have, like seen, that's the hat I knit with this one. If I have enough of this left I will do a hat as well, but I'm not sure until I get the front finished. So that's what it's going to look like, and when I get up to the armholes here I will show you how I did this bit here. But that is it for now. This will be on my shop when I get round to putting the things that I have to sell onto my shop. So that is another little cardigan finished, and this one will be finished before long. It won't take me a lot longer to do the front, but I will have to stop when I get up to the armholes and do the tutorial for the neck part. But when I sort out what I'm actually doing with this pattern, if I knit another one, I don't think I've done a 16-inch. I think the other one, the one I showed in the video, the green and the stripy one, I think that is an 18-inch. So I haven't done a 16-inch, a small one, which will not take as long. So I may do a small one and put the packet front, the colour on, and do the whole video for that one when I sort them out. Because this is a 20-inch what I'm doing now. But for anyone who was interested in my crochet, I have started another channel. I've only just put it up. I have done just a couple of little things. I'm just starting from the beginning because there are a lot of people that don't know how to crochet at all. A lot of you do. You just want to know how to do some of the things that I do. But so I have just done how to make the chain, you know, how to start off the chain and do some double crochet. But I will keep doing different stitches. But my channel is called, I'm not sure I'm going to keep this title, I just couldn't think what to call it, so I've just called it Crochet Any Way You Can. And it's Sheila's Crochet. I will put a link on the end of this video, on the very end with the little squares I put in. I'll put a link in there, and then I'll put a link in the information part as well for anyone that wants to watch it. So I have subscribed myself because I have 4 other channels altogether. So I've put those 4 channels I've subscribed, so it now has 4 subscribers. So, but they're all me. And I've just come back from a walk over to the post office, and I have posted the first order I've had from eBay for quite some time, well over a week. And a lady bought 2 of my patterns. And because of the extra that she had to pay, those 2 patterns would have cost her just £5 if eBay hadn't put the buyer's protection on. But because it put that on, that lady paid 75 pence extra on each pattern, not just on the order, that was on each pattern, and whatever else it came to for the what it added up to. You have to pay a certain percentage of that. And I think she paid £1.64 extra. So I put an extra free pattern in that packet for that lady, because I do not like what people are having to pay for my patterns now because of what eBay are doing. But that was a little bit of a surprise, because it's well over a week since I've had any orders of eBay, and I think it's because of the price of the patterns, because of what people are having to pay now. So that's what I may do. If anyone buys like 2 or more patterns, I may put a free pattern in to cover the cost, the extra cost that you're having to pay for this buyer's protection thing, which with me, people don't need that, because even if one gets lost in the post, and that person tells me, I will send out the patterns again to them. I wouldn't see them lose out by that. But that was it anyway. I had walked over to the post office with the patterns to post. And I will be starting on my crochet tomorrow morning, doing the notion pouches. What, you know, this is mine, if I can get pick up these sort of things, what I have for myself. That's mine. I keep anything in there. That one's smaller one just for my crochet hooks. But I'm going to start doing those again, which I mentioned the other day. And the bags with the PU leather bottoms. And I've already been asked, a lady called Emma's asked to put her name on both, on the next bag I do and the next notion pouch. So the first 2 that I do of those 2 will be going to Emma. Doesn't take long for the orders to come back in again, but I did tell anyone these days to put their name on anything if they see me doing it, but Emma's just beat used to it before you've seen me doing it. So I am just going to do what I can of this. Oh, and I may do a little bit of the pom-pom scarf I was doing for my granddaughter, because I haven't done any of that for a while either. So that's just a little bit to let you know what I've been doing. And I put a review up on my other channel for this little, called a chair. It's called a snuggle chair, but it is a couch to me. It's far too wide for a chair to be called a chair. And I've already had somebody notice, I don't know if I can turn the computer around and you can see, but I had noticed this myself. I'll bring this screen down a little bit. You see that part round there? There's not enough filling. This bit here, it goes in. It hasn't, the filling hasn't went right to the edge. I did notice that, but I thought I can maybe try and keep pushing this and teasing it, and maybe teasing it up, because I did not want to wait another 3 months for them to send me another couch. But for something like this as well, they charge you to have somebody come and inspect it. They are not getting any more money out of me. But that, you see how that is like that, and I can show you the other side, if I can get it over that way. I'm trying to move my, don't know whether I can get oh, you can just see it there. I've got my legs in the way of the table, that's it. As you can see, that one is all smooth. There's no ruffles in it. So a lady did mention that on my other channel, but I had already noticed. I knew it was there like that. But I wasn't going to start. I was just that sick of not having anywhere to sit in my room. So I'm going to sit and knit. And if I want to put my head back, I'm going to lean on Elvis. You can see I've got Elvis there. I'm going to put my head on Elvis. So that's my little bit for today. So don't forget, check my other channel, my crochet channel. Get me a few views on it and a few subscribers. And I will probably be going through this channel and sorting out any crochet things that's on it that I might take off and put onto that other channel. And because I want to keep all crochet in one channel, and what I do tutorials and things like that for knitting and that into one channel. That's why I have these other channels that I've started for. My knitting channel and now a crochet channel. And then a shopping one as well. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.